Hi, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you guys about venture capital accounting and how it can help take your business to the next level. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the blog and get started. As you can see here on our blog, a lot of people have questions about venture capital financing and what exactly that means. So venture capital is financing provided to business startups with high growth potential. Although many of these investments typically have high risk levels for investors, high returns are also possible and offset the risks. The investors are usually high net worth individuals who can afford to take significantly higher risks associated with venture capital investments. Now, there are several stages involved in a business's initial growth where venture capital may be invested. A small amount, known as seed money, is invested with the intention of providing a proven business concept. Once product development has begun and market share is in the process of expansion, the venture capital investment amount is higher and finance is dispensed in several rounds. Investors can recoup their investments by either selling the business to a larger company or by selling shares in the business at a public offering. Now, venture capital accounting can be very complex as there is usually a lot of money being exchanged for business investments, both for buying and for selling. What is more is that venture capital investment firms invest $10 million or less in numerous business startups with high growth potential. These firms will then exit by selling their shares in equity financing, mainly at initial public offerings, otherwise known as IPOs. Both private equity and venture capital firms have special accounting needs that include, so I'll just give you a couple of these because there's a lot. Full scope auditing, financial modeling, projections, and other complex financial projects, various business valuations and other business matters, transaction advisory services, executive search services, etc. So there's a whole list right there that I'll let you guys go ahead and look through. And now, because venture capital is a very tricky matter, if you have any questions or want to know how this could apply and help your business, you can scroll down to the bottom of our blog page here and hit this Speak with a CPA Today button. That will take you right over here to this page where you can book a free discovery call with one of our CPAs here at Fusion CPA, or you can call us directly at 404-955-7338, or shoot us an email at info@fusiontaxes.com. Thank you for watching today's video. Again, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA. We really appreciate your time, and we hope this video has been informational and educational, especially to those of you who are wondering about venture capital accounting and how that can impact your small business. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop us a line or shoot us an email. We're always happy to hear from you and answer any questions that you may have. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely amazing day.